Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on the WordPress.com. So I guess many have already idea about the WordPress.com and you guys already know how authoritative this website, and if you guys have no idea to how you can publish your article on the WordPress environment, so WordPress site environment is something different word. Okay, so I already published an article on this website. You will see that kind of article submission looks. And if anyone haven't idea about how you can publish your article on the WordPress.com, so in this video I can tell you step by step process. So before the started, we can do some research. So according to HRF, the domain rating is on 94. Yeah, that this is a very good. And if I can show you on Moj, so according to Moj, the domain authority is a 95 and the spam score is only 1%. Yeah, so everything is good. So you can see there is a get started button. Simply you can click on this. Yeah, and you will see there you can select your any of the interest. So publish blog. So let me proceed this with this, and you will see you can choose the template from here. So there is many things, so I can only select a blog. So because I love to publish article only, so that's why you can select any preferable template, and then you can click on the continue button. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co, and there you can search your domain name. So my domain name is a DML Training, so DML Training, and you can click on the enter button, and you will see. So there you can watch very carefully. So if you can select any another option, so this site will navigate you to the different zone. So while selecting any domain, very carefully you can select. So you can scroll something and you will see there is a free for first year, so you can ignore this since okay, you will see this is a totally free. So before after your domain name, so DML Training 8, and this is your WordPress hosting. So you can select this plan, select this is a totally free. Then you can click on the continue, and you will select the free, start with free, and yeah, here it is. So this is your article dashboard is getting ready. And after that, let's get ready. So write your first post. So you can click on this, and you can cross all the things because don't need. And there you can add your article title. So previously I published this article, so let me use this. You can copy your article title, and there you can paste your article title, and if you have a featured image, so you can upload a featured image from there. So for this, so this is the featured image, so let me download this, and there you can upload your blog feature image. So you can select a media library. From there you can upload your picture and click on the set feature, and there you can paste your content. So this is the content. Paste your content here, and you can optimize, after that you can optimize your heading. So you can click on any text, then you will see there is an option to can change into heading the text. Okay, and if you're wanting to convert this text into heading, so you can click on this, and there is a multiple option to you can select your heading or the paragraph option. So I guess you guys have idea about the customizing the content and the heading. So you can optimize your heading tags, and if you're wanting to insert any image, so you can simply where if you wanting to place, if I wanting to place image here, so you can simply click on the enter button. Okay, so and there is a plus icon, you can click on this. From there you can select any of option. So you will see there is a image option, you can select this image, then you can upload image and the images are replaced here. Okay, so after that you can optimize your content here, and then you can there is an option to you guys will add any title and the description. So I guess there is no any option for this. So once you guys will complete your optimization, your content optimization, so you will see there is a publish button, you can click on this, and again you can click on this, and you will see this is your, you can click on the view post button, and this is your article. Yeah, here it is. And I forget to how you guys will insert a hyperlink on your content, in your content. So suppose if I wanting to hyperlink this keyword, so you can select your keyword, you can copy your article article URL, and then you can click on this, click on this, click on this. Yeah, so your content are hyperlinked. Then again you can click on the save, click on the view post button, and this is your article landing page URL, and this is the hyperlink what we did. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on the WordPress environment. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.